start streaming right now, guys. Should be back of the graph as it dipped right after all that 30% dip or whatever. Bybit, what's the minimum? Not much. It's tiny. You can put tiny amounts of money. That's what's awesome. Like I said, like my first trade that I was making, I was putting in like $100 and I was using 7 to 10x leverage. So when you had a lot of space, that you had a lot of margin that you could leverage trade with, and it's really not that much money if you want to practice. And then I use MarketCipher. MarketCipher is my indicator that I use. What's up, everybody? It looks like we got 6 viewers on so far. Make sure you guys all smash that like button for us to get started. What's up, Jaime? What's up, C. Mendez, Ali? Go ahead and sign up for Bybit and the link in my bio so you guys are ready. What's up, Asmer? What's up, Ayers Murph? Make sure you guys, looks like the connection is not as good as it should be. Looks like a little better now. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the music down a little bit. How's the audio, guys, on YouTube? Let me know in the chat how the audio is. What's up, Max here? The music is a little bit loud. What's up? I just turned it off, dude. When you pull this off and go on the Today Show, you better take me with you. Thank you, John. I appreciate that. I'm definitely not looking for fame, but I'm just looking for, like for me, it's just a lot about competition and the journey and bringing people with me and showing you guys and inspiring you guys to, keep doing your thing as well, but also to promote what the crypto game or the crypto space is doing right now. There are so many big places like BlackRock and all of these places, these big hedge funds that are looking to get in, and we're going to be first. Audio is great. Awesome, man. Thank you. But yeah, we're going to be first. And what's nice is this time, guys, instead of the hedge funds having all the shares and then, we boost them up, this time we get to be in first and they get to boost us up. So getting your money into the game right now and letting corporations boost us up is a much better situation than in the stock market where it's the other way around. How much will Cardano be? I predict at the end of this one at least $7 or $8 at the end of this bull run. But I predict it to be so much more. It could take over, for all we know, it could take over Ethereum. You never know. Do you know an altcoin that's going up? A lot of altcoins, most altcoins will go up in this bull run. So it's not hard to pick one that's going up. It's hard to pick the right one that's going up. Like, for example, Cardano. If you were following this channel from them, we picked it at 35 cents. Now it's $1. Now it's $1.15. We almost 4x'd. So it's all about picking the right ones, because if you would have picked almost any, you'd be up 15 or 20%. But what's up, Camera Lingo? I'm all about the cameras. Bunny, don't you think we are close to the end? Mr. Swag, my guy. Thank you for that comment. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys right now, we're not close. We're not close. We're not close. Let me give you guys, if you guys didn't see my TikTok video, either before I get started, a good way to start this. What I brought up earlier, BlackRock. BlackRock has almost $9 trillion under management. And they just put out an article yesterday or 2 days ago saying that they're going to dabble in Bitcoin. It's going to be crazy. But we've already seen 20x gains. Yeah, Mr. Swag, my guy, like if all this corporate money starts to come into the space, like I said, if BlackRock wants to play alone, if they put 10% of assets that they manage in crypto, it's going to double the space. It will double the space. Just BlackRock, not Google, not Apple, not all the big. There's several companies that are bigger than the market cap of crypto now. You have Apple, you have, Facebook, all these big market caps in the other, like you can't even comprehend how much money's coming. And there are so many people as well, retail people, that are not even in the space yet. Like this is chump change compared to what's coming. So no, we're not yet. But you do have a good point. We have seen altcoins 20x, but there's far more growth where that can. We haven't even hit Cardano's all-time high yet of $1.33. Are you going to take profit Cardano right now? Yes, I am. I'm going to show you guys live August, September, riding this train, make some coin. That's absolutely correct. What's up, Anthony? What's up, user? What's up, Mary? So sounds good. You think you need to still hold? Absolutely. You making any changes this week? Yes, we are. So let's get into that right now, guys. So what's going on, guys? Angel Telemontis here. Begin Crypto. Good to see you guys. I have the market. I have coin market cap open right now, guys. Can you hear me? By the way, is my AirPods okay? Not as good, obviously, as my studio mic, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make it do today because it's all about the content. Mary, Jaime, Jo, Eli, Ben, Blaze. What's up, guys? Good to see you guys on the chat. So today, guys, Bitcoin's at 57,000. Do you guys? Unreal. Let's look at the chart. I want to look at this chart in here. Audio is great. Perfect. We hit a $1 trillion market cap on Bitcoin. You guys, like, that is crazy. The whole market total was $1 trillion, and now just Bitcoin alone is $1 trillion. Let's look at the month chart. You guys can't even comprehend how much this is pumped, guys. Literally, February 1st, this month, February 1st, this month, we were at $33,000. $33,000. It's at $57,000. Wow. Is it not best to focus on altcoins instead of Bitcoin? Short term, yes. Long term, no. And I'll get to that in the middle of this. Live. I didn't even update this. So look at me. This is definitely a weekend, guys. I'm not sharp, but I'm gonna go 57K Bitcoin right there. Yesterday's profits, Ethereum breakout, Cardano. Yeah, that's actually pretty much the same as yesterday. So turns out we're gonna leave it. Ethereum right now just over $2,000. Binance coin, flipping Cardano and Polkadot and Tether, but they also flip Tether as well. $1.15 for Cardano, up 24%. Polkadot up 22% as well. Somebody FOMO'd into Binance coin, and I feel bad that they did. They should have held their position in DOT, but it is what it is. Feel bad for that guy. I exchanged my Bitcoins and in altcoins. Bitcoin is too high to make huge profit. Yeah, we almost treat Bitcoin like a stable coin, which is weird to say, but it's actually a little less volatile in terms of percentage, because even if it moves huge, the percentage is only 10 or 15%, which is fine. But the altcoins can get dangerous, because that's where you see huge spikes and then it comes crashing all the way down. That's why you want to take your profits. Cardano is going to go higher. It's already at $1.16. Cardano is going to go higher, but we need to make sure we take profits, because we turn $1,500 into much more than that, over double. I'm going to show you guys in the portfolio soon, but we have to take profits. And I want if you're in my community, I want you guys, and you're on crypto.com specifically, I want you guys to stake. If you're not staking, I want you to pull this money out to be ready for making a move. That's what I'm doing, at least. And if you guys want to follow me, that's fine. Ashley, Linz, Joel, Sura, One Part. What's up, guys? Ashley, what's up? Good to see you guys here. So as you guys can see, Tether 6, XRP 7, Litecoin doing solid 8, Chainlink's at a quiet $36. I think Chainlink, what do you think about Chainlink? That's so funny that you asked that. I was just going to talk about it. What's up, boy? What's up, Ben? Chainlink is the quiet. Hi, Tree, what's up? Thank you very much. Chainlink is the quiet superstar, because it's so boring, but man, as you can see, it's just a slow increase. It's always going up and to the right. Maybe not as fast as everybody wants, but Chainlink is a solid long-term investment. I think one of the best long-term investments in this whole space. So it may be a good idea for us at some point to drop some money in Chainlink too, almost as a stable coin, to maybe earn 6%, 7%. If you had $500 each month to put in crypto, where are you putting it? Well, probably the Graph, ADA, DOT, Cosmos, Synthetics, EGLD. Yep, Cardano. Yep. Those are the places I'm putting. I like Synthetics. I like EGLD. I like Cardano. I like Chainlink. If you're thinking a little bit longer term and you're going to put $500 each month, I put it into one that's going to grow. And then once you get all those profits, I would convert it to Bitcoin towards the end. So, and ETH, yes. Jaime, and ETH. Dogecoin, hell no. No, not Dogecoin. Sorry, guys. Love what it stands for, but no, no chance. So let me get let's get to some of the charts, guys. I know everybody likes to see the charts. I'll get to the charts here, and then I'll go back to show you guys the profit that we've made. Actually, let's do the profit first, guys, because then I can show you from there. Thank you a lot. No worries. When synthetic pump, I think synthetic's going to be a slow mover, but when it moves, boy, it's going to pump like crazy. There was a little bit of news about them raising a little bit more money or whatever. But synthetics has been pretty quiet. There's going to be a pump with synthetics, and it's going to be massive. So just when that time comes, we don't know. I mean, usually a news article or something, a media piece is what usually spikes the initial. That's happened with Cardano a couple times here with their new Gogan up phase, and they have a new phase coming as well. I think it's phase 4, as well as they might have a possible rumor on a Coinbase crypto. High risk, please, 10, 20x, thank you. Ethereum. Yep, let's talk about all of that. But first, guys, if you guys are not following on YouTube, go ahead and follow us and subscribe on YouTube so you guys can see the charts and see our portfolio. But I'm going to release our portfolio here, guys. Incredible. Right now, we bought 2,900.7 ADA, which is Cardano. We bought 2,900.7 Cardano at 41 cents overall. We had EGLD. We had 500 EGLD. We had 500 ADA. We traded EGLD to ADA. And then we bought Cardano at 35 cents. We made a little bit of money on EGLD. We moved all of our EGLD to Cardano, and that approximate price was 41 cents. So we've almost 3x'd our money on ADA. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. And by the way, then we have one full Ethereum, guys, one full Ethereum. And we bought that at 11.87. I put $400 in Cardano at 111. Is that okay? Completely. I think we're going to move to $2 here before you know it. All it takes is one piece of news, one more piece of news for Cardano, and it's going to happen. So you guys can see it last night. I literally, my thumbnail yesterday was patience, and everybody had patience. And literally the next day that I preached patience, guys, we exploded. So there were so many happy people in the Discord group, which was super, super fulfilling, rewarding to see. Razvan, thanks. After his game, what's up? Harry Booth, what's up? So here we are going to release it now. We have yesterday. Oh, let's talk about yesterday's quick. Yesterday we had $4,729.04, which is awesome. Our goal, which I'm going to show you guys, I think I have the Excel sheet again. Where is it? I think it's this one. Yep. You guys can see this on the chat. There you guys. So you guys can see that there here on the chat. Our initial investment was $2,234. Our February goal was $4,469. That's what's going to keep us on our pace for the 1 million. 4,700. Today, guys, we are at one upload. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, drum roll. Guys, we were at $5,405.06. I don't know. I could probably use my little calculator here. We're going to go ahead and do 5,000. It's 5,405. 5,405. 5,234.70. Dude, yeah, that's crazy. We're up. We've doubled our money, and then some. I wish I started the day you did. What's the amount you invested? The amount we invested was $2,200, and I should remember the number, $2,234.70, and now we're at $5,405. That is incredible, guys. And like I said, I want to go ahead and thank you guys as well for following me and continuing to follow this journey, because this journey is a long journey, but boy, I'm excited to keep moving on this journey, guys. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and happily change the profit to $5,405. 5,004 bull run, which is another 7 months. And like I said, if you guys want to see that quick, let me break it down for you guys. So this month, here it is. This month we need 4,469. And then by the end of March, we need 8,938. All that profit from a mix of Ethereum, ADA, and EGLD. Those three are the three that we've done so far in this 15 days or whatever we're at. And those three have brought us that amount. But it's just us trusting it and holding it for long enough for it to make a profit. People get so excited that they just want to trade, and that's where you start losing money. You lose money on fees, and then you lose money at FOMOing in at the top, and then you get scared and you keep buying at all these tops and keep selling at bottoms. That's how you lose money. It's February, because there's an altcoin season coming, and if we can make another $2,000 or $3,000 in this quick altcoin season, I think we're going to be in some business. What's up, Jose? What's up, user? The April goal is 17.8. The May goal is 35.7. The June goal into the summer is 71.5. The July goal is 143. August 286. September 572. October 1 million. So it comes out to be just under doubling your money. Can I still start now? Absolutely, you can still start now. And maybe you don't get all the way to $1 million, but get in with what we have. You know, if you only have $1,000, go ahead and just start with our Cardano, and then follow us from there. Or if you have all the the money to start, go ahead and start with us where we're at. Or if you just want to pick a few picks that we're picking, if you see us like, oh, we're going to go in on Cardano on this day, or we're going to go in on EGLD on that day, or whatever, go ahead and join us. And maybe you don't do the exact moves, or you don't get there in the exact time. But if I go ahead and we go ahead and do this and make $1 million, and you make 700K, you're probably not going to be mad. So that's kind of how it goes there. But yeah, I would love for you guys to follow. If you guys want to follow each and every move, each and every trade signal, join our Discord group. Yep, I would skip if you if I were you, yes. If you have said, yeah, I would go straight into Cardano with where we are right now. If I were you, maybe I would probably put, like, if you have $1,700, I'd put $300 on the sideline probably. This is not financial advice. You don't have to do this. Like I said, you use your trumpet. If I were you, I would put about $300 in the stable coin and wait for a dip, and then the other stuff you could buy right now and get in with us to use it. What's the next investment you're planning? I'm going to get to that here on the live here in a second. I'm going to show you guys a couple things. Got about 5K to spend, and we're at about 5K, my guy. So I would hop in on some Cardano and maybe wait for my next pick here, and maybe hop in there as well. So guys, there we go. We're back to everything. That was the profits. We're at 5,405. Can you believe it? That is still an amazing buy. Don't sleep on it completely. That's actually Desert Dweller. That's actually one of the picks we're probably going to go into. So you're a mind reader. So let's go to the ADA chart, because everybody's pumped about Cardano. Let's see what MarketCipher says. Jeez, guys, look at this pump. So rewarding to see. And hop on Polkadot. I love Polkadot as well. We're at 1.146 right now. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. God, that's a thing of beauty on the 4-hour chart. And you can see us charting where we needed the breakout to happen here, and it certainly broke out, touched that resistance or that support. So we could be a little bit in this line too. We might be a little overbought in Cardano right now. Like I said, right now is a good time to be take profits. What do you think about Chainlink? Maybe. I don't know. It's hard to say. Corrections, once we see little pumps, of course. But I think this altcoin season's got a lot more ceiling on it than you guys are seeing right now. Because we really actually, we haven't seen altcoin season yet. Altcoin season hasn't commenced yet. So it's getting started, but you haven't seen altcoin season yet. You're going to see a lot more things pump than just this little pump, this little 20%. It's going to get real. But just like I told you guys to be patient yesterday, you guys today need not to be greedy. This thing's not going to run up forever. Just pump 1,000 into Cardano. Hold on ADA Hold off on ADA, wait till it drops. Like I said, we're going to stash $500 away for when it drops or when anything drops. Can I PM you about my holdings, sir? PM me, go to what's up, Aiden, what's up? So yeah, we're going to go ahead and take profits live on air here. So if you guys want to see that on the actual phone, all you guys on TikTok, if you have a YouTube account, go to YouTube. Go to YouTube so you guys can see and watch us. What's your take on ADA? Explosive. What maybe could be one of the biggest coins in this whole thing. Which coins you gain interest? You would have to stake them. I'm going to show you guys how to stake as well, because I think part of pulling profits here is going to be me staking some as well. I'm going to stake some crypto.com coin, CRO. So join us on YouTube. Let me see what the YouTube live is. Let's see what the chat's doing. What's up, guys? You think ADA's still a hold? You make any change this week? Couple of biddies and you're set for life. For real, Jonathan. Links full potential, huge potential. You think Sunday is going to be a red day as it normally is? Yeah, it has been a red day as of late. There'll probably be a few corrections, but the trend is still going to be going upward, which might be a good idea, because we're going to go ahead. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys live on air. I'm going to take $500 and trade it into a CRO, a stable coin, and then we're going to leave it in that stable coin until we find that dip. We're going to go ahead and scoop up a trade here. So can you tell me why transaction on Uniswap failed, but the gas fees were charged? It depends on what you were buying. Sometimes they call it, I think it's called slippage. Not good. Do you follow any particular crypto guys on YouTube? Like Leo Trades is really good. I like Crypto Zombie. I think it's Mind Math Money. I think he's a really good technical analysis guy. I watch a lot of technical analysis because I'm not that good at technical analysis. I just use MarketCipher. What's up? And what's up, Crip? What's up? Oh, I lost you guys for a second. What's up, Steve? Man, a lot of people joining. What's up, KRP? Good to see you guys. What's up, Arcona? Guys, can someone tell me transaction? Scared money don't make no money, which is an awesome song. If you guys can see my TikTok, you did use King Chakra. I think so. No, yeah, King Chakra. I forgot his name for the rapper, but he's got a cool "Scared Money Don't Make No Money" song, which is pretty good. It's about trading on MarketCipher. A cool song. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen it on TikTok, it's one of my last videos. Pretty funny. Are you charging anything or changing anything? Yes, I am. You guys will see it live here. Blue says, "Hey, what's up in the Discord group? What's up, Blue? If you guys want to join the Discord group, go ahead and I'll see it here and I'll shout you out. Guys, what to buy now? 100x. That's not save my day. I'd love to think that we're going to look at 100x's. We're not looking at 100x's right now. That's phase 3 of altcoin season. So that's when you buy the lower caps. But right now, the higher caps are going to start pumping. The top 25 to 30 will start pumping, and then from there, that profit will leak down, and the top 100 will pump, and that's when you start seeing the 50 to 100x's in the baby coins. Once people have some money. What's up, Sam? What's up, Omari? What's up, Manisha? What's up, Clang? Cool. So that's what's happening, looks like, on YouTube. Now, guys, let's go ahead and take some profit. We got 23 concurrent viewers in the house, YouTube. What is up? Good to see you guys. Make sure you say hi in the chat so I can shout you out. Also, guys, make sure you guys smash the like button. We have 25 concurrent viewers right now and only 5 likes. Let's get all 25 likes, guys. Go ahead and support this channel. That's one way you guys can support me right now, is to hit your like. What do you think? When do you think you should take profit? We're going to take some profit right now. Cardano EOI prediction, end of the year, $9. We got a solid 8x left. Active, we got 9 likes. We got 26 people in the house now. Good to see you guys. Harry Booth is solid, bro. I'd say 2,200 to 5,400 is pretty solid, bro. So let's keep moving though. So now let's go to the portfolio, guys. I'm going to show you. But if you guys are getting paid in paychecks and stuff, at least for me, I would suggest the money that I make in business and stuff, I put some in Cardano, or I put in crypto in general. I have I have Coinbase, a personal on Coinbase. I have a personal on Binance. I have Voyager as well. And I'm putting some money in all of those exchanges. But this is the fun account. This is the one where I'm going to show you guys how to make, how I'm going to make more money. And if you guys want to follow, that's exactly what you're doing, because it's not financial advice. Because if it was financial advice, I'd be a financial advisor, and I'm not a financial advisor. So there's that. What do you think of DeFi? DeFi is going to grow. What up, King? King C91. Blue 3 sent an image on there. Awesome. 3 Melo Malyo, what's up? So guys, I'm going to show you guys step by step here what we're going to do. As you guys can see, we have $5,405, and then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to click Cardano. So yeah, it's a, and you guys can change it to a crypto.com coin, which I might do to Ethereum. I'm going to probably stake here in a day or two. I'll probably put a video up for you guys on how to stake and why it's important, because it's almost a good way for you guys as like a little mini savings account, because you guys can stake this money, make 6% on it. And I'm going to actually make sure anybody who's following me, I'm going to make sure that you guys get a crypto. I'm going to actually, where's my webcam? I'm going to make sure I'm going to pop up in the corner here quick, because I feel like I'm talking to nobody and I don't like that. I want to talk to you guys. Okay. Okay. There. Look at that. God, I'm so stupid. There we go. So you guys can see me as well. So first what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to, we're not going to sell all 2,900 data. Wait for a red day to buy ADA. Things go big up. Things up big. Yep, I agree. For sure. So what we're going to do is we're going to sell ADA, but we're going to change the number. And it's kind of a game you have to play. Nope. Sorry, we're going to change. We're going to do USDM. Okay, so we pick USDM, and then we're going to delete this here. And you kind of have to play a game. So I think we'll go. Let's see what 200. What we're going to do is we're going to pull $500. That's around 10%. When is correction expected? Fairly soon. We'll see what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin's always the judge. So it's just as long as Bitcoin bounces around, we're fine. When Bitcoin starts to make a correction, everything else will make a correction. But it's good to take profits right now because you go the right way. But we want to make sure we take profits in the stable coin, because we're not going to lose money in the stable coin. So if we pull some of our profits here, when things dip, we have this $500 of liquid USDM. And then if, let's say, the graph goes from 260 or wherever it is now down to let's say to 225, we can go ahead and put $500 in. And usually during these bull run altcoin seasons, once something breaks down a little bit, it's going to bounce back up almost right away. As you guys can see on the charts on EGLD, that happened. EGLD went down to $100 and literally popped back up to 150 in like 2 hours. So to capitalize on that 50% gain, you'd have 750 from that 500, and then we can find a place to put that 250, and then we keep building and building that way, taking profits that way. So let's guess about 200 ADA. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sell. We're going to go ahead and sell 200 ADA. That's 227 US dollars. Actually, what we might do is let's take. So it'll be, let's do 400, 450. 445. Let's do 445. I'm going to go ahead and take 445. We're going to go ahead and sell 445 ADA. Okay, I'm going to do this live. Sell ADA. Okay, and we're not going to do it to crypto.com coin. We're going to do it to USDM. Okay, we're going to do 445 ADA. Right now, I'm going to sell it. Sell. Okay. We're going to hit confirm. And you're going to put your passcode in, and it's going to sell. So now we sold 445 ADA. So now I'm going to update this. We have 2,455.7 ADA. Okay. We still have one ETH. And then we're going to actually put the USDM coin. USDM coin. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and change that. I'm going to change it to black for one so you guys can see it. Okay. I'm actually just going to call it stable. We'll go do that. We'll call it stable so you guys, and then stable. So now we add another text bubble. Sorry, I'm doing this live on air with you guys. What's up, King C? Whatever. Good to see you guys. USDM price 3, and that's going to be 506.09. Sorry this is taking so long, guys. I'm not as proficient in this, but this is what we did. So hopefully you guys did that as well. Hopefully you guys now have $500 on the sideline, because that's exactly what I'm doing. So now we got $506. Perfect. So that's where we're at right now, guys. So we now have 255 ADAT, 41 cents. We have now 506.9 stable, and there we go. So now you guys can see we have 2,800 in Cardano, 2,000 in Ethereum, and we have this on the sidelines. And from there, we're going to be able to get into dips when they happen. So for example, when you guys saw the big dip with Ethereum, everybody was freaking out. You could have put money into GRT or VET, or you could have put money into Cardano, which dipped down to 70 cents. And then you guys can see that the bounce back is much better. So that $500 are going to turn into 750, and then we can do the same thing. We can leave the 250 profit in there, pull that $500 back out, and wait for the next dip. So we can make more and more moves, and from there, that number will get a little bigger. We'll make bigger profits, bigger jumps, and things will keep moving from there. But awesome, guys! I'm glad you guys took some profit from here, because what may happen too is Cardano. For all we know, Cardano could dip a little bit, go ahead and bounce right back into it, and make even more money than what we had there. But the big thing, guys, is let's go back to the studio. 30 concurrent viewers, guys. So glad to see you guys on YouTube instead. Go ahead and hit the like button, guys. We're at 14 likes. Go ahead and get 30. Let's get 25 likes right now. Let's go ahead and get 25 likes. So like I said, this is the ADA chart. We're at 15.2. Like I said, we grabbed great profit. I wrote a PM on Discord, Blue3. I did see that. Thank you very much, Blue3. You're the man, Mr. Swag. Stephanie Penny, you just subscribed to us on YouTube. Thank you so much. Some rare green fit a Saturday, right? The weekends have been crazy, but that's our kind of crazy. So we took profits at 115, guys. Cardano at 115, and there were a bunch of people in the Discord and on YouTube and TikTok and all of that saying, let's take profits at 96 cents. If we would have took profits at 96 cents, we would have regretted it right now. But you got to take some when we 2 or 3x. You got to take a little profit, a little 15% profit. We'll take that, because pretty soon, guys, if you think about it, I mean, in a short amount of time, we're going to be able to pull out our initial investment, and this will be all house money. It'll all be profit, which would be incredible, guys. Let's look at the ETH chart. We haven't even looked at the ETH chart. What are we doing? Well, this is EGLD. EGLD is down at 142. Looked like it hit a bottom yesterday at 5 o'clock, 135. Yeah, EGLD's got some left in the tank. That is for sure. But let's look at ETH. $2,001, a lot of green left. Let's go to a smaller time frame and see what we're looking at. They had a little dip here. We hit a little red. We might come back down here a little bit again. But it looks like we have a pretty solid resistance here at 2039. Touched a couple times here at 1983, but we dipped below it quick and came back up. Looks like 3 different times though. This 2035 number is the number we're gonna have to break to before we get to that 2150 or 2200. So we might be starting to form a little downward wedge, falling wedge here. We'll see as that progresses. Definitely some resistance here at 50, right around 57.5. Some resistance right here. As you can see, it bounced off resistance and came back down. Hard to find some support. There really isn't much support. Maybe 56.1 here, right here, with some used to be resistance. Now it could be a little support up here, but overall, that's just a 15-minute chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Thing of beauty. But we're still going. We're still in price discovery mode, so Hard to tell on Bitcoin, but everything's looking good so far. So good. Let's go back and take a look at the market, guys. Go ahead and refresh. What's up, Barry? What's up, Dave G, Chef, Farah, Travelworth? I'm glad to see you guys all in the chat. Ethereum is just still underperforming. I mean, Bitcoin went up 21%. Ethereum should easily be up by 20%. Resistance on ADA now 120. Yep. That's the new resistance, because once we break that, we're breaking all-time high. So I think we really got got some profit, $500 at a good price, and just letting it sit. I know it feels boring, but it's going to be the right move especially when we find a good dip to enter. Okay, guys. Let's look at the 24-hour. Ravencoin top. Uniswap pumped. Polygon and Golem. Those were two that we were that I was thinking about getting into. Right after this, do we like Voyager? We like Voyager. Yes, we do. Sushi Swap pumped 32%. Polkadot, BitTorrent, Cardano. Look at that, way up. I'm really liking 1 inch right now. 1 inch is one of those I'm keeping my eye on. Yep, Voyager token pumped 19%. Yes, Voyager's good. I love it. The graph, I'm a big fan of the graph. The graph should be at $3 here in no time. Synthetics, a quiet 10%. VeChain, a quiet 10% as well. But their chart was screaming the other day. So, but they slowed down a little bit, which is perfectly normal. I'm not a big fan of Tron. If you have been listening, we will not touch Tron on this challenge. We won't touch Tron. We just won't do it. A lot of marketing around it. Don't feel comfortable. Kind of feels iffy to me. I don't like Tron at all. So if you like Tron, go ahead and get it. But nah, not for me. Crypto.com coin. We're always going to keep an eye on Crypto.com coin, because when we're staking, we want to get a good price. And while we're staking, you can earn not only on interest on your Crypto.com, but that they're going to pay you, but you can also earn on the actual coin. So Maker. Algorand down 10%, a little correction there. EGLD down 13. See that when you find good projects that are down, and then it drops 13% on you. That's what's tough. So right now we're looking at losers. We're looking at projects that are good projects that are losers right now. That's what we really want to see. HBAR solid. I think Ren had a big pump too. I'm pretty solid, pretty big fan of Ren. Decentraland, yeah. Engine Coin at 58. Ocean Protocol as well to round out the top 100. So guys, happy Saturday to everybody, by the way. Thank you guys for joining me on your Saturday. Thanks for making your Saturday and hanging out with me, guys. We're at 31 concurrent viewers. Keep smashing the like buttons. We're at 17, guys. Love to see it. Awesome watch time. Look at that. We're getting some in the chat. Let me go back to the Q&A section so I can see all the chats, guys. Yo, literally been following you since day one. Ibby's a day one brother. I love it. You're a day one brother. Guys, got down all the trades, even swaps for taxes. That is very true. However, I'm actually going to make a tax video soon where you guys can use the API from crypto.com and a few other places, and you're able to hook it up just like a TurboTax. And what it does is it'll pull all of your transactions for you. So if you use TaxAct or TurboTax, you can hook it right up to TurboTax if you do your own taxes. If you don't do your own taxes, you can go ahead and give this to your tax guy, and it'll give them everything they need, which is super awesome. Would you guys be interested in that? You guys want to learn a little more about crypto taxes? Let me know in both chats. You know what I like about your channel? It's open discussion. Most people just talk for days. Yeah, this is an open discussion, guys. This isn't just my group. This is our group. And that's what I want to make sure that you guys know. And that when you come to and watch, you're going to interact. I'm going to interact with you, and you're going to interact with me. We're going to have a good time. So venture capital mindset, it could go to zero always, or allows you to sleep at night. Yes. What would you class as a reasonable dip buyback down at Cardano? I'd have to take a look a little bit at the charts. It's tough though in price when it's in price discovery. Well, it's not officially in price discovery mode because I haven't broken its all-time high. But there's going to be some resistance at about $1.20. Once it hits its resistance and heads on the way down, you might be able to buy on that dip. Might be a solid spot. First time here, and I'll be back. Dave G, I'm so glad that you're going to say that. Appreciate you. Like I said, join YouTube because I got 30 or 40 here on YouTube and another 20 on TikTok. So which I love both. But if I want you anywhere, I want you on YouTube because I can interact with you better on there. So you guys can see what's actually going on, watching me make trades and all of that. Would you venture capital mindset? Yep. USDT is a good DT is a good stable. Tether is a solid stable coin. Yes. Retail can't get into ETH with gas fees. Yeah, that's why Binance Coin pumped, because Binance Coin doesn't have all the fees. The Binance Smart Chain, if you're buying, like PancakeSwap is on the Binance Smart Chain. That's why it's pumping right now, because Binance BNB is pumping like crazy. Fandom, what's up? If ADA hit $1.20, I'll probably sell 5% and put it into the coin that's down. That's fine. That's you could do that as well. I like to put it in the stable coin because I like to ensure profits, keep it in the stable coin, and when everything else is going down, you already have the money liquid. You don't have to make any more transactions. It can just be transactional on the second. You're a little bit quicker. That's just my theory, Mark, but you still have the right concept for sure. Alien Exchange says yes. Football director, what do you think of HoloChain? I haven't looked at HoloChain. You guys want to see it? I'll go ahead and look at it quick. I don't know much about it, the technicals, the fundamentals of it, but let me take a look. Let me look at the charts. Is it hollow? Is hollow the trade? Must be hollowed or hot. Must be hot. Let's check the US dollar calculated. It's at 0.002 cents. Let me look at the 1 day. Let me see this day by day. Let's see what it's been doing. When did this come out? Must have started November 19. Down at 0.0006. It's been, looks like it had a nice little pump here. I'm not sure if there's anything going on around it. Nice to see 20 people in the chat. Relbuzz, what's up? Erica, what's up? Eddie, Luca, John, Stefan, the big Legowski. What's your favorite exchange? Hard to say. I am really liking Onsen. I'm liking Crypto.com. I'm hoping to get the sponsor for the channel soon. What's up, Enrique, Brandon, Stank, Butta, Chad Johnson, 200. My favorite exchange is probably Crypto.com. The reason is you can stake on there. I like that you can get the card as well, so you guys can have debit cards. Like I said, this week, I'm going to show you guys how to get the debit card, whether it's a free one or you guys want to stake. I'm going to show you both ways. I'm going to stake a little bit of our profits. I'm going to go ahead and stake and get I think the Ruby Red card. I'm going to show you guys how to get that so you guys can actually have this wallet as an actual bank. You can treat this as a bank, which is awesome. You can use it. You can do like the Apple Pay with your scanner. You can use it's an actual metal debit card. And as well, you guys can get free stuff as well. Like I said, that when you sign up and you stake Crow coins, you can get free Spotify, free Netflix, free Amazon Prime, and then you get if you go higher, you can get a 1 or a 2 person free lounge at the airport as well. There's a lot of perks. Plus, you got Crow coin, which is actually moving up in value. It's a crypto, and what I like is you can send your fiat money. Let's say you want to pay the bills or pay, like, let's say you get $100 payment. You can send the $100 from your bank account to crypto, and it'll automatically, you can have it bought in CRO, and then you can use that CRO to pay the bill, and then you'll get cash back in CRO. So you'll actually get crypto money. What is your view on Hex? I can take a look at it as well. Overall on Hollow looks pretty solid. Let me take a look at it in CoinMarketCap before I go to Hex, okay? Hot. Where is it ranked? It's ranked 112, so it's just outside the top 100. I like that. It's got a 3 million, almost a 400 million market cap. Stable enough. What's the supply like? We don't know if there's a max supply. I don't like when there's not a max supply, but kind of hurts the demand. But man, the charts look solid. Trading value's up 185%. I don't know what's bumping that, but yeah, look at all this volume in the last 10 days or so. Crazy. Yeah, I'll keep my eye on this for sure. Let's see. Is it on Crypto.com? Is this one we can buy on Crypto.com? I'm not sure. It doesn't look like it. Binance, maybe. BitPay, Dragon. Yep, we were not going to be able to buy it on Crypto.com. I might be able to buy it for my personal portfolio when I take a little profits, though. A lot of exchanges. I don't see Crypto.com, though. probably in the works, maybe in the works. We'll see. What site service did you just talk about? With all of the debit cards and crypto and all that, Steph and Munich. So, do you know any coins that are tied to stock trading? Not yet, but I think they're really trying to tokenize. They're really trying to tokenize that. I think some of the derivative, like some of the DeFi derivatives, are trying to solve that problem right now. Train left the station. Nah. On what though, John? Let me know, John Hong. Let me know what you're talking about. Titabilly, market cap, ranked number 203 on CoinMarket. Looks like there's some decent amount of volume coming in. A little bit up, a little bit down. Looks like it's a little dip right now. 1-inch exchange, Uniswap V2. By the way, I'm gonna read what it is. I'm gonna make sure to and Hex is an ERC20 token launched in the Ethereum network. Hex is designed to store value to replace certificate of deposit of blockchain counterpart financial product. Okay, that makes sense. Leveraging off the emerging DeFi ecosystem. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that is usable. Like anything that you can think about. What's up, Polly? What's up, Kata? Miami, Ada, Mary, creators by Al. When you're thinking of usable, functional things in society, that's exactly one of those things. As that DeFi is very practical. 24 concurrent for you guys, 20 likes. Thank you guys so much. Keep pumping. I'm going to make sure that I don't miss any. What do you think of HoloChain? Waiting for my crypto.com card. Jonathan, that's awesome. I'm glad you already ahead the cart. But I'm going to go ahead and make a video for you guys. You guys want to see that? Let me know in the chats if you guys want to see a crypto.com tutorial overview. And then I'm going to show you guys how to stake and then get that crypto.com card so we can all together have that card if you want it, so that you guys have an actual crypto bank account. It's the first crypto bank account that you can actually have if things go bad, especially with everything that's going on in our world today. So good job. I'm glad you guys are waiting on your crow cards. Do you use Kraken as well? I don't use Kraken. You can definitely use Kraken, Gemini. But I mean, I have so many exchanges. I think KuCoin I'm gonna go ahead and go with as well. Glad to see all these likes, guys. You guys are crushing it. So guys, I'm gonna go to my current portfolio here. I'm gonna refresh again. See if we're up or down. Cardano, it's the same. Ethereum must have dipped a little. Yeah, Ethereum dipped a little bit, but that's okay. But yeah, we're doing very well, guys. Top 5 crypto, long term, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I would say Cardano, Chainlink. I think those are the long terms, because Ethereum, or Cardano are going to be, they're battling each other. One of them is going to win. Bitcoin's the store of asset. That's going to be the digital gold. Info node problem, transferring of data. Do you have any news about XRP? I don't have any news about XRP right now. Probably more coming during this coming week. Do you think Litecoin has potential? Is that Gablina? Thanks, Gablina. I absolutely think Litecoin has massive potential. And as I've been saying the last week or so on this channel, obviously, I mean, if you guys are new here, you wouldn't hear that. But Litecoin is my pick of March. Litecoin might go to $500 in March. That's my guess. It's going to pump like crazy, especially when because PayPal's having to launch, and they're going to launch Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Ethereum, and Litecoin on PayPal. And when that happens, it's going to be exposed to their massive network of users on Venmo and PayPal. And from there, Litecoin is going to have a lot more use case. I see Litecoin at $1,000 at the end of this thing. So I think another 5x for Litecoin still in the works. So actually had somebody that was talking to me, and he invested in Litecoin at $125 fairly recently. He's almost doubled his money already. So a lot of use case. And what do you think reached the end of 2021. Yep, that was my case. About $1,000. I think Gablina won. I think it's going to get to about $1,000. I think $500 really quick, soon after March. So, and then probably Coinbase is very particular about who they work with. They try to get the best project in each of the spaces. So like for data storage, for example, they have Filecoin, but I like Golem better. And Golem's on crypto.com. They have Cardano and DOT and Ethereum, of course. I mean, they don't have Cardano yet, but when Coinbase does, it's going to blow up. But they try to find the biggest people in the space. So they chose Ethereum. But hey, what's up, buddy? Rico Suave. Is that Claudio? He might have changed his name. But did you buy Doge? A couple $100. And then I pulled out, went in at 3 cents, got out at 7 cents. Made a couple $100 and I pulled out of that. But no, that was not something that I'll be putting my money in. I would not be playing that game. Tell us about your private holding. I really just have if you guys want to know what I have, I just bought Frontier, BitBoys Pump. I bought Frontier just in case. Fuse, that Post Malone he's collabing with. I like that little as well. And then Golem. That's my private holdings that I hold. So those are the ones that I really like. So my long-term strategy, those are the picks. Short-term strategy can get a little bit different. But guys, I want to talk about the plan before I leave here. Thank you guys for staying here. Concurrent viewers 21. We have more likes and viewers right now on there. H bar solid. We might pick that up in this competition, in this journey, but not at this moment. But it's solid. How do I feel about the graph, Danny G? I love the graph. The graph is probably going to be our next pick, legitimately. The graph's probably going to be our next pick. So I love the graph, Danny. Remember to check PM, please. I will. Thanks a lot, brother. User 608. Awesome. I'm going to check my Q&As. If ADA hits $1.20, probably sell. What do you think of Hollow Coin? I'm waiting for my Pro Card. Hey, what do you think about SafePal? Haven't heard of it yet. I saw something on it. Is that like the Amazon thing where you can buy like eBay stuff on eBay, Amazon, Zenix? I'm not sure, but I would look at it. I think I've heard about it, but I didn't do any research. They should definitely give you that sponsor money. I think they should too. I saw BitBoy's got it and a couple other guys. Obviously he's got a bunch of followers, but BitBoy got it a year ago when he was, fairly, much smaller than he is right now. And I'm trying to recommend crypto.com all I can, whether they're giving it to me or not. So, overall, I think it's good for what's the plan when you hit 1K subscribers? I don't know yet. I should do something, shouldn't I, guys? I look at my position, half my projects I need to be liquid to buy the dip that's coming. For sure. I don't think it's going to be as big of a dip as you think it is, Suave, but there is going to be a dip. There is going to be a correction. And I like that because you probably already made profits. And I like guys who will liquidate in order to buy dip. We just did it live on air. We just took some Cardano and put it in a stable coin so that we can buy the dip as well. I literally, honestly though, with BitBoy, with what he's doing right now, guys, I could probably just live off his picks. And when he picks something, we could go and get into it right away. And from there, go ahead and do something crazy on here, guys. What's Thorchain at? Because if we get in right this second, we might be in luck. We might catch a nice little pump. This is Claudio. I knew I could tell by the picture. Your picture, by the way. What's Thor at? I swore it was on here. Maybe not, but Thor is going to pump. So there's that. Okay, guys. Well, it looks like we ended here. We ended here at $5,417. Like what? Let me know in the description. Let me know in the chat, guys, if you guys are pumped about this. Because I'm super pumped for everybody right now. If I've made you any money, I'm super happy about it. I'm more happy about that than the money that I made from it. I'd rather you guys make money. So there we go. There's the official $5,416. We started at $22.34. We are now at $54.16. Crazy, guys. Crazy. I just joined. Did you already take profits on ADA? Yes, we did. I'm going to update the group as soon as possible. Yes, I took profits on ADA. I took $500 out of ADA, and I put it in a stable coin. As a senior to invest for my kids long-term till I pass, what would you What will you choose for 10K? John, that's such a that's very noble of you. Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's what's going to last through the long term. But if you're going to be able to move it a little bit, probably Cardano, Chainlink, DOT, and then move it to the stable coins after you make some more money. What about Bitcoin ETH right now? Should I wait till correction? Yes, I would think you should wait till the correction, because the altcoin season, I think, is coming here. Altcoins are going to pump, and then once it's done pumping, they'll go back and do. So you'll take your profits, and you'll take your profits from these altcoins and go right into Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you guys every step of the way. So guys, until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Happy Saturday, guys. I've been on here for about an hour. Wanted to give you guys an hour of my time. I'll update the Discord group. If you guys aren't in Discord, join the Discord group so you guys can see the trade signals. If you guys aren't on TikTok, join us on TikTok. If you guys aren't on YouTube, join us on YouTube. Subscribe there. Help us out. What you guys can do for me for free is smash the like button. Share this with everybody you know. Same with you guys. As soon as I use the referral links that we have in our description, and use the referral links that we have in our TikTok. So TokenMetrics, MarketCipher, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Bybit. Use my link so that we can see the commission here and keep this awesome channel rolling. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you guys so much for the love. Happy Saturday. We're gonna keep our eyes on the market. I'll keep my eyes on Discord. Keep our eyes on our huge profits that we've made. So I think we're up like 140%, guys. So awesome. If you guys just joined Jonas BLC, Demeni, make sure you guys check out YouTube. You guys can watch the full thing there. Thanks, Gabrielina. Glad that you could come by. Make sure you stop by again, everybody. I love to interact with all of you guys. Christian, what's up? Joel's. Like I said, if you guys missed it, go to YouTube and you guys can see everything there. So until next time, guys, YouTube, love you. TikTok, love you guys. Take care. Let's keep making money and staying strong together.